Hi, this is Kareem Ardlan with Rapid Sites, and I want to welcome you to Weebly Wednesday. This is a new YouTube Live video that we're going to be doing every week, and we're going to discuss new things that are happening with Weebly, whether it's new apps or new features from Weebly, and we'd love to also answer some viewer questions. So uh, be sure to send your questions in. You can use the hashtag Weebly Wednesday if you want to send those in via Twitter. And you can also just comment on our YouTube video, and we'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. So Rapid Sites is a web design company here in beautiful Albuquerque, New Mexico, and we specialize in building sites on the Weebly platform. I've been designing websites for over 20 years, used many different platforms, built our own platforms, but over the last year and a half, I've settled on the Weebly platform for our clients, and it's been great to be able to build sites for clients using Weebly and allowing them to be able to, work with their own sites and easily be able to update and edit their sites. So I wanted to also go through Rapid Widgets, which is our new company for doing apps and widgets for Weebly. These are some of the new apps that we've done. So we have a YouTube customizer app, we have a Vimeo app, custom buttons and shapes and borders. So these are the four Weebly apps that we've developed, and I'd love to go through those with you at some point in the future. Today I wanted to focus on our newest app, which is YouTube Customizer. So this is an app that's in the App Center now. So if you go to the Weebly App Center and go to New Apps, you'll see it here. It's the YouTube Customizer. And basically what it allows you to do is have more control over your YouTube videos. So as you know, Weebly already has a built-in YouTube player, but it's limited. So we had a client, for instance, that didn't want to be able to show, or they wanted to be able to hide the related videos that show at the end of a YouTube video. So they were embedding some videos on their site that were their own videos that they had uploaded to YouTube. But at the end of the videos, YouTube was showing related videos, and some of these had nothing to do with them. There were competitors. They may be inappropriate, things like that. And so they just want to be able to hide that. So our app allows you to disable that. The other thing that our app lets you do is choose to have your videos automatically start playing, so you can have the autoplay feature. You can have display the controls on or off. You can loop a video, as we talked about related videos, and you can also set your start and end time. So a lot of times clients want to be able to embed a video, but they want it to start at a specific time and possibly end at a specific time. So that's another thing that you can do with our app. And of course, all the videos that you embed, all the YouTube videos that you embed using our app will be fully responsive and work great on any device. So you can read more about our app in the Weebly App Center, but I'd love to give you a demo of how our app works. So here's a demo site that I've been working on, and so I want to show you what we can do. So if we go and do a build, I'll first show you the built-in YouTube player. So if we just drag the default Weebly YouTube player, it adds a video to your site, and we can publish this. And if we go to our test page, oops, hold on a second, I forgot to, I need to actually put in a YouTube URL. So let's go to YouTube. And find a video that we can put on there. Okay, this looks good. How to get your first 100 YouTube subscribers. So we'll copy this URL and we'll go and paste that in. And now we'll hit publish. So if we go down, there's the YouTube video that we just embedded, and let's play that. It's really loud. Okay, so let's go towards the end of the video. Okay, so now we're getting towards the end of the video, and let's see what happens at the end here. So here you see all these other random videos that showed up at the end of this video, and that's not really what we want. So now let's do the same thing using our YouTube app. So I'll go in here, and what you want to do is copy just the ID of the video, and we'll remove this, the built-in YouTube player, and we'll put in our YouTube player, which is called Custom YouTube. So we'll go there. We have a short tutorial that you can watch, but let's just put in the YouTube ID, and if we hit tab, it'll update and you'll see the videos there. You can turn on autoplay if you want, and so the video will automatically start playing, which we don't want. We can loop the video. Related videos by default are off, but we can turn them on if we want, and you can also show the title of the video or hide it. I think it looks cleaner without the title, and especially if you're embedding your own videos on your site, you don't need to put the title on the video itself. You can always have the title underneath the video and have more control over it. You can certainly adjust the top and bottom margins as is typical in Weebly, but you can also set the start and end time. So if we wanted this to start 1 minute in, you would just put in 60 because it has to be in seconds, and it tells you that. So if you mouse over here, it says enter the start time of the video in seconds. And if you wanted it to end at a certain time, you could do that and say we want it to end at 62 seconds. So basically it'll be a 2-second embed. So now if we publish it, and go to our test page, and hit play, you'll see it starts at 1 minute and it ends in 1 minute and 2 seconds. So that's what we can do with our app. But let's go in and take out the start and end time. So we'll just set these to 0. And we'll publish it. So let's take another look at it. Go to our test page, scroll down, hit play. So now the video starts at the beginning. Let's go towards the end. Getting to the end of the video here, and let's see what happens at the end. Getting close. There it is. So now we're at the end of the video and we don't see the related videos anymore. So you see what a big difference this makes? You know, you're not mucking up your video with other videos or, you know, linking to your competitors, things like that. So that's a really nice feature of our app. Anyway, like I said, it's in the Weebly App Center, and certainly be happy to check that out and let us know if you have any questions. As with all our apps, we offer a 100% money back guarantee. So if for any reason you don't like our app, you can contact us through support and request a refund, and we'll issue a refund if it's not working for you. If there's something technically that needs to be fixed, we'd certainly love to hear from you so that we can make improvements to our app. And we do regular updates, and so we'd love to hear from you. We also have these other apps that you can take a look at that time. So today it was basically just an intro, so I just wanted to introduce myself and get started with Weebly Wednesday. But next week we're going to focus on other apps from other developers, just to give you an idea so that you can see what apps are popular, and we'll try to focus on one app each week and give you a rundown of how it works and how it might benefit you to use that on your Weebly site. And as I mentioned earlier, we'd certainly love to answer any questions you have as well. So hope this was helpful. I know it's just an intro, but hopefully as we go through this every week, we'll be able to get into more depth on Weebly and also talk about any new features that Weebly's added and answer your questions. So look forward to talking to you next week, and certainly post your questions down below. Thanks a lot.